At the age of 8, Samuel Wilson came to the aid of his little sister. He didn't just fix her tea party table, he retrofitted it with a height-adjustable leveling leg. He learned that fixing something brings happiness, but improving it brings something much greater. When he was 13, Sam decided to redefine neighborhood skateboarding. So he modified his ramp with a car jack. It was the cause of numerous bumps and bruises, but according to his best friend, it was awesome. At 16, Sam discovered that sometimes within a piece of old, forgotten equipment lives potential. And that his efforts really do make a difference. In college, Sam realized for the first time how much he takes for granted. Where he walks, where he lives, where he sleeps. So he gave the best birthday gift possible to his roommate, the top bunk. At 40, Sam recognized that he could use his skills as an engineer to help someone severely injured. So by combining function and feel, he developed a fully integrated artificial arm. Because in a time of crisis, there is no greater comfort than the hug of a loved one, except shaking the hand of a man who lost his.